Today I am representing the solution of one of our test world hackathon problem statement. The problem statement is develop a solution to integrate test automation tool like Catalan, Playwright, Leapwork, which integrate with test management platforms like Jira, Azure DevOps to get the trigger for the test execution directly from Jira or the Azure DevOps and send the test results back to our test management platforms automatically. So I created one solution in that I can take the Playwright framework, which is integrated with Jira for sending the trigger from the Jira to the GitHub API, and it runs the GitHub workflow so that our automation test can execute. I can push my code to the GitHub, and when the GitHub API gets the trigger from the Jira, it will automatically runs the GitHub pipeline, means that GitHub workflow, and sending back the test results to the Jira. So this is the integration. So I connected Jira with the GitHub API by creating one server, that is middleware server. Means it is the web service which I can deploy by using the render platform. So let's move towards the automation. So here in the Jira, I created the two issues. First one is the user registration, second one is the user login. I developed a logic that when the issue has the status is from to do or development to go to the ready for testing, then Jira send the trigger to the GitHub API through the our server, and then GitHub API runs that our workflow and send back the test results in this particular user story in the comment box. So right now in the comment there is no any comment, so I change the status from to do to the ready for testing. So firstly I deploy the server by using the render platform. So I get the trigger. Here I can refresh the our workflow. See, the workflow gets initiated. Now run the test. We can cross check our issues. The issue ID means the issue key is L125. So same key we get here, that is print issue key. See, L125. So now it runs the test. See, the two test cases part, upload the test reports and the test results into the Jira. So we get or not it. See, in the comment section we get the results. Now we change our status like in done. So in done phase, the Jira not send the triggers continuously to the GitHub workflow and not getting continuous results in the comment section. So in the GitHub workflow, we know that our two test cases are passed. So it send the result like status are passed. If any test cases is failed, so it printed the names or the test ID, I think. So that is it. Now we can close this issue. Again, we can demonstrate with the user story. That is the user login. So this user story issue key is L126. So from to do, we can change the status of this user story, that is ready for testing. When we ready for testing session, so we go to the action tab, we get the trigger. That ID is L126. So same ID we get here. It is L126. In L126, it runs the workflow automatically after getting the trigger. See, two test cases are running. Test cases are passed. We can upload the test report as an artifact, so we can download it. See, the test result is sent to the Jira. We get here. See, in the comment section we get here 12 seconds ago. Status are passed. This one. So as per this type, we get the test results of this particular test suite. Then we can close the issue like done. Change the status of this story. So we can update the issues. Similarly, or if we want the test report, so we can upload the test report as an artifact, so we can download it over here. So we can download it by clicking on the link. It is in zip format. So we go to the file, open it. Okay, the two test cases are passed. As per this type, we can integrate with Jira to our automation framework, from sending the trigger to the Jira, sending the trigger from Jira to the GitHub API through the one created server. So as per this step, I integrate Jira to our automation framework and develop a solution. Thank you.